Very good evening, friends. My name is Abhishek Tripathi, and by profession, I'm a marketer, working in food service business and closely working in Horeca industry. So today, my topic is personal branding. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. I thanks to Mr. Nitinji and entire HPMF team for this opportunity and bringing this. So I'm going to talk about the personal branding. Why it is important in individual's life. So when we think about the brand, the first thing comes to our mind, the brand is something like a company or some products. No, my friend, you yourself is a brand. So think from your perspective, what is a brand? It is not only going to build your career, it is going to help in any networking session, it is going to help in your career, it is going to help you in business, whatever the profession you are. Only the thing is that you have to be a real self with yourself. You have to be authentic and real with yourself. So I'm going to talk about a few points and tips how you can create a personal brand. So number one, what I would like to say, the good intention is really important while creating a brand. You have to be very transparent in your world, whatever you are, whether you're a lawyer, whether you're a doctor, whether you're a purchase manager, whether you're a marketer, you should know your subject very well. So if you're true to yourself and you can talk about your profession, how you're bringing the transparency, how you're bringing the processes, so the intention has to be very good. Your intention should not only kind of giving advice, it should be like more talking about the processes, because people like to understand the processes, not the advice, because advice and the different gyan which is already flooded over the internet. So if you know the processes which are related to your profession, please deliberate it professionally. It will help somebody to understand your profession. Second, to become a media mentality. So what I mean to say, to become a media mentality, as we know that we have lot of media opportunity which is there today in our hand, whether it's all social media level, you can take the leverage of the social media, the blog, lot of things is there. In previous era, we have to spend a lot of money on the commercial. It is very difficult to get into the TV, newspaper and the magazine because a lot of investment which is a possible. But in today's world, you don't require anything. It is just your knowledge and the internet. Simply just take out your mobile phone and create a small video and talk about your subject and try to create a brand yourself. But how are you going to do that? It is very simple. For an example, if you're a marketer and you know something how to create a brand, simply just take out your mobile phone and create a small shoot of small content, choose any topic related to marketing and do that. Simply it goes with the purchase. So if you know about the purchase, some kind of challenges which you have faced when you have joined the company, if you want to advise somebody how to grow professionally in a purchase career, you slowly talk about what kind of challenges you have faced, what kind of education which you have added, and content is really important. So, and the best part is you should know what you're talking. So the subject is really important. Choose a subject which you really know that. Choose a subject really worked upon it. So for example, I was doing some consulting in a marketing where I met 2 to 3 coaches in my personal life. I met them. They were very good at their subject, but they don't know how to create a market for that. A simple thing, I just told them, create a small video. They were the life coach. Small video, talk about the processes to bring out somebody's strength, the inner strength. Ask certain questions online. Ask them, what is your strength, where your weakness lies, what do you think about that, and just deliberately talk about it. And they have just created a small video. I help them to create their website. I help them to set up their own blog, which is freely available. You don't have to invest a single penny on it. Everything is available nowadays on internet. You can create that. So they have created their own blog and their own social media page, and they started talking about that. It not only helped them to become a thought leader in their own field, slowly, gradually, they have become famous in their own network, and they started getting a lot of clients and fame as well. So the best part in self-branding, try to document everything, try to bring the content, try to get your inner strength, what you know that. So the document is really important. You can create a document in a small pieces. It's not necessary you have to become a script writer. No need. Simply go to the internet, try to find some topics related to your profession, relate with, and understand where you fit into that content. Okay, if you don't know how to write it, simply choose some quotes, a lot of quotes which is available on the internet. Take out that quote, little bit, tweak it, and put your personality in that. But as I said, your intention has to be clear and should be authenticity. So your mind should, should match with that thoughts. Whatever the code and the content which you're choosing, your mind and your subject should match with that. And put your small picture, cut copy, and put it on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you are. It will help you to create your own presence in the network. And apart from that, your profession, because everybody talk about the profession, but as an individual, everyone has something to say. Somebody apart from their profession, they are a good singer, they are a good in sports, they are good in different subject, whether they are a storyteller, they have something unique in them. So always not only talk about the profession. Apart from the profession, try to show your different side of your personality. So I met couple of people, they are very professional, they have been a CEO of the company, but they are very good, they are vocal, and they show they are, they good at. If you know singing is your habit, if you sing a song, it will help you to build another brand. It will create another image apart from your professions. So build that. Another point is try to become 100% authentic in your content. Do not try to fake the subject which you do not know. The subject which you know, do not put it as advice or put it as a suggestion. Put it in a process. Show the real world how much you know about it, your subject. So your subject is really important, because the people who is going to follow you, they are going to look upon, they are going to look at your knowledge, and they are going to check, because in today's world everything is transparent. Everything is transparent. Any topic you put on internet, you get the entire thing. So choose your subject very wisely before delivering. So once you know your subject, definitely you can deliver it. And another part which I want to talk, which is really important, once you create a content, you should know where you have to flood. It is always good, try to associate with the influencers. There is a lot of things which I'm going to talk. Choose small social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Now you have a TikTok and many other platforms which you can just Google it. Simply for creating a small blog, I would suggest go to the Blogspot, where you can create a free small website. Go to your own blog. Go to the Wix, Wix.com. You can create a free website, and choose some social media tool which is Adobe Pro, which is easily available. The Spark, which is easily available on internet. Those mobile app you can download and create a content for a social media. Simply you have to just click your pictures, go to the edit button, create a content over there, and put related to your thought and just post it. It will not only help you to create your own image, it will also help you to, people will start recognizing you as a thought leader in your field. And you can just distribute. These are the medium which is freely available, and you can distribute all your contents in all the social media platform. So thank you so much for listening me. I will come up with another video soon. Thank you so much.